Good morning from Gulf Shores, Alabama. My name's Ken Solstead, and this morning I'd like to show you a 2019 Boston Whaler 280 Outrage. I think it's a perfect boat for around here. We got this equipped really nice, especially if you run out to the rigs with the twin 350s on board. Shoot you out there about 60 miles an hour if you want to go that fast. Comfortable cruising speed of about 35 miles an hour, give you a range of about 310 miles. This boat's 28 feet long with a 9 feet 4 inch beam. 2'11" draft. Freeboard at the front end is about 3 feet 11 inches. Towards the back you're at 2 feet 11 inches. Let me just walk around here real quick. Going back to the back of the boat here. Twin 350s, stainless steel props, underwater lights, Lenco trim tabs. Let's walk around and get on board here. Okay, going forward here, you notice we have the tempered glass in the center console, power vent, powder coated matching white fiberglass top, dual captain's chairs with bolsters and armrests. Going forward again here, inside the center console. There's a lot of room in there. And going forward and coming around forward to the front of the boat, just wanted to point out a couple things. Besides the non-skid going all the way around, this boat doesn't come equipped with the anchor windlass. More storage up here, and of course there's cushions that go in place all the way around here. Notice at the front of the boat there is a big lounger. And as we open this up, more storage underneath. Once again, this is the Boston Whaler 280 Outrage, Gulf Shores, Alabama. My name's Ken Solstead. If you have any questions on this boat or any of your other boats, please give us a call here at the store, 251-981-1113. Thank you.